Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. All my returning subscribers, thank you for sticking around, thank you for holding it down. Also, anyone that's new and just subscribed to my channel, welcome. I appreciate it. Hopefully you guys enjoy the content and everything that I provide on my channel. Also, anyone that's watching this video for the first time, you know what to do. Click that notification bell right here so you can keep posted. I'll give y'all a little second to click it. Okay, cool. So first and foremost, before I even get into this video, just shout outs to everyone that's really affected by, I can't even say it because YouTube is on some ish lately and they're like flagging people's videos even if we say the word. I guess because there's a lot of false information going around. But I'm gonna just say shout outs to everyone that's going through this terrible rough time. I'm also going through it. Pretty much everyone's going through it. It's just really sad. Like, our world just changed in a blink of an eye. It's like, it's scary. I'll go to Walmart or the grocery store and everyone just looks zoned out. Everyone looks afraid, just look triggered, and it's not a happy place right now to be here. Honestly, even my anxiety is going through the roof. I think I actually had a panic attack for the first time. I just hoping for the best. Sorry for anyone that's lost a loved one, unfortunately. I have people that I know, loved ones passed. I'm like worried about my grandmother. But anyways, I don't want to make this video all sad. The reason for this video is because I'm doing a hair review today. This hair is actually sponsored by the Janet Collection. Thank you so much for sending me this hair. I really appreciate it. The hair that I'm using is actually Crochet Passion Twist. It's from the Nola Tress Passion Twist Crochet. I got it in the color 1. It's also 24 inches. So far I'm liking it because I wear braids and twists sometimes, but it's really rare. Like, I guess I don't have the patience for it sometimes, I guess. But I do love them. And since, you know, this is going on, I'm not really going nowhere. So I just put some twist in my hair because just to, you know, keep it protected. This is what the hair looks like. It's 24 inches. I'm about 5'8". It comes like this is my boob. Sorry to be graphic, but it comes down like to my waist. And the way I did it individual and the basic crochet, like in the front, like all from ear to ear. Up here is all individual, and this portion of on my head I corn braided it, and all the way in the nape I did like 2 rows of individual. So if I wanted to like put it in a ponytail, I could. It won't look funny or none of that. I don't know which way I want to wear it. I like the side part and I kind of like the middle part too. Like, the middle part is actually growing on me. But enough chit chat. So here's the tutorial. Stay tuned. Are you kidding right now? Fire alarm. Y'all just won't let me be great today, huh? Stay tuned for the tutorial. Wash. Y'all know how much I love my hair freshly washed. And yo, check out my curl pattern. I don't even know what type of curl that I have, but I am so loving my curls. Like, yay, they're so cute. But anyways, this is the braid pattern. I part my hair from ear to ear. In the front, I did it individual, and that's how the back looks. And I did the last 2 rows individual as well, and that's the edge controller that I'm using. So now I'm just braiding my hair. I'm not braiding it to the end. If you guys can't grip or anything, you can also use rubber bands. That helps a lot as well. And this is the hair that I'm using. I only use 3.5 packs to do my hair. So now I'm doing the basic crochet method with the cornrows. Basic, you know, simple method. It's basically all over YouTube. And once I do that, I'm about to go on to the individuals and gonna crochet the individual under my braid as I'm doing right here. Once I do that, I take that piece of hair and I put some edge control on it, and then I'm going to split it into two, and I'm just going to twist that into the braid. Some cases you don't have to take the whole braid loose, but if you do, that's fine. Just twist it back the same exact way. And this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. I'm so glad I have this in my hair right now, so I don't have to worry about my hair for a while, and I could just chill and relax and let my hair be protective. Again, you guys, follow me on Instagram at XOXO_Mochaccino. If you have subscribed and you're watching this video, go on ahead and subscribe. Again, thank you. Be safe. Bye, and stay home.